As makers, we have this opportunity, maybe we'll even call it an advantage, that a lot of other businesses don't have. And that is to invite your customers and your loyal followers behind the scenes and present them this beautiful, illustrious process that is your craft. There are so many makers out there that it can be discouraging because you think, oh, it's already saturated. There's too many people doing what I'm doing. The cool thing about video is it gives you the opportunity to present what's unique about you and your business and your craft. And you can give something to your customers that they can't get from anybody else. And that's your story, your background, your process. There's so much that you have to offer that's unique and different from every other maker. We got problems.
So I said, hey, I'll take a picture of Wes. She said, I want a picture.
What's this handsome boy doing? What's this handsome boy doing? Hey, is that our friend Mia? You're gonna be on the vlog today. How do you feel about that?
Good.
Can I have a high five? I like your beanie. Livy's coming too. There's Hazel and Finn, the whole crew. What's your favorite color?
Blue.
What's your favorite Disney princess?
I don't really have any. Toto.
You like Coco?
Yeah.
It's a pretty widely known and well-established marketing strategy to keep customers on your page, or in other words, keep your customers' eyes on your product as long as possible. The more information you can give them about your product, your story, your background, your process, the more likely they are to become customers. It's been a big goal of mine to use video a lot more in our business, just in hopes that we might be able to appear even more transparent and more genuine to our customers. This is still really new to us, but even in this short time, it's made a huge difference. Our site traffic has gone up, our engagement on all social media platforms have gone up, and even more importantly, we've been able to establish some really good relationships with our customers, and we've made some awesome friends through it. But this is how the maker vloggery stuff all ties in. I've thought about this a lot. Vlogging exists in a big way all over the world. Again, I have to put this disclaimer out here. I know it's not for everybody. I'm not claiming that at all, but I believe that especially for makers, craftsmen, artisans, the benefits that can come from documenting your process every step of the way, the failures, the mistakes, the successes, the victories, your mindset in the time of all the critical decisions. So I really wanted a place where any of you who are thinking about starting a vlog channel or implementing more video into your work, or if you're already doing it, I really wanted a place where we could all connect. So I created a Facebook group, and I'll put the link down in the description. It's gonna be a private group, so I wanna attempt to keep it as a really tight community where we can learn from each other, share our victories, share our failures. We can find ways of collaborating with each other and possibly meeting up with each other. I think that there is a massive, untapped opportunity for makers within the YouTube world. And it's only gonna help and make it better if we can kind of connect and do it together and lift each other up. So anyway, that's what this Facebook group is for. I'll put a link down in the description. I hope that there are a lot of you that are encouraged to do this. This might be a little dramatic, but I really believe that this could be the start of something really, really good for makers. It's getting late, and despite how tired my face might look, I'm really excited about this, and I can't wait to connect with some of you about this. Let's read some comments. All right, this is from my friend Tarek at Chartermade. He said, having a splitter in my shop paid for itself really quickly, as I was able to turn my heavier leather scraps into wallets and other smalls. Man, I can definitely see that being a good justification for buying a splitter, because I have an entire shelf of leather that's mostly like anywhere from 10 to 15 ounces, like really heavy stuff that I've just bought over the years, but I can't use it. You know, we're not selling belts anymore, and you can't use that stuff for wallets. So if I had a splitter, I could turn that all into wallets or any kind of little small accessories. And so anyway, yeah, that's a great point, Tarek. All right, here's one by Skyline Leather Co. Said the Class 14 is definitely my next big piece of equipment. Being able to buy one weight of leather and then cut it down to different weights would definitely be a game changer. I agree, we're on the same page. Another one from Skyline Leather Co. He said thumbs up on the Union Pacific picture, Omaha, Nebraska. Yeah, that Union Pacific poster was actually here at my grandpa's house when he passed away. Yeah, I mean, I love that poster, not just because of the amazing vintage typography and everything, but it also has some cool local appeal to it because of the Golden Spike area here in Ogden, where the Central Pacific Railroad met the Union Pacific Railroad, and the last spike was driven. It's actually a really cool story to read about. There's so much that went into it. But I think because it was my grandpa's, that poster's got like a little special place in my heart. Kurt Earhart said, good video and great suggestions. Thanks for sharing. I appreciate that so much. You guys are the best. I just appreciate this community so much and what you guys are doing for my business and for our life, for my family. It just means the world to me. And it's just very rewarding to get to do this kind of work and to be able to network and connect with people like you. So that's it, guys. It's late. I'm going to head into bed. Before I do, really quick, I want to give a special shout out to our friend Livy. You saw her in the video earlier, but her birthday's coming up, and I know she's gonna be watching this, so happy birthday, Livy. All right, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Night.